Welcome to this video on cells. Take a look at the key words we'll use in this video. So every living organism is made up of cells. This means we can refer to cells as the basic building blocks of life. Cells are the smallest living unit. Similar cells group together into tissues, and then these form organs, such as the heart. There are two main categories we can sort cells into: prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells tend to be smaller, simpler, and usually form unicellular organisms. These are organisms made up of only one cell. Eukaryotic cells tend to be bigger, complex, and usually form multicellular organisms, which are organisms made up of multiple cells. An example of a prokaryotic organism is bacteria. Eukaryotic cells come in the form of fungi, plants, and animals. There are three types of cell: animal cells, plant cells, and bacteria cells. These all have different parts called organelles, making them different. Let's look at detail at the animal cell. Around the outside it has a cell membrane which controls what enters and exits the cell. It also has a nucleus which holds all of the cell's DNA. The jelly-like substance in the middle of the cell is the cytoplasm, which holds all of the structures and is where the chemical reactions happen. Cells also need energy, so they have mitochondria for respiration. The last structure is the ribosomes, which make essential proteins for the cell. The plant cell has all of the same structures as the animal cell, plus three more. It has a cell wall surrounding the cell membrane to act as a barrier and give the cell extra support. This is useful at protecting the cell from too much water, as this could cause the cell to explode. It is made from cellulose, which is very strong. It also has a permanent vacuole in the centre which holds cell sap. The plant cell also needs chloroplast to photosynthesize, a process plants do to create energy from sunlight. The bacteria cell has ribosomes like an animal and plant cell, however its DNA isn't in a nucleus. Instead it's loose in the cytoplasm. It has a flagellum which is almost like a towel to help the cell move. It also has plasmid DNA, which are small loops of extra DNA for the cell. It has a cytoplasm just like the animal and plant cell to hold all of these structures in place.